My people, what's good with you? Listen, a lot of you start credit repair. We do our job as far as removing negatives. The next thing you know, you guys add another negative. Now, I know you guys don't like when we say you add it because you guys don't like that responsibility. But check this out. Another negative account was added to this customer's file from Greensboro, North Carolina. We removed both of his negatives and then he re-added another negative. Let's check it out. To go to previous reports. And we're going to go to the April one. As we can see, April 5th, we go down 2 negative items right here below. We see that says 4, 5. We go down, we see the Santander negative on Equifax, and we also see the LVN funding on Equifax. So now we go to 613, and we see that customer has 1 negative. And here's a negative up top, 613, a new... My people, I do my job, you do yours. It's simple. Anyways, my people, that right there is a snippet from my 1-minute video for Instagram. I'm going to post all this video together for you to see that we actually do our job. And the thing that bothers me, okay, is that when we do our job and we remove negative items, a customer gets a negative and then it's a process to remove this new negative. Maybe we could remove it in 30 days. Maybe we could remove it in 3 months, 6 months, but they complain about that this new account, which we are disputing for free. But you see, that's the thing right now. We're not going to be disputing anything for free anymore. People are going to be, you're going to have to pay for whatever new negative items. Because you know what? Every other credit repair company, you got to pay them. I've been a very good as far as helping people with their credit and telling people, oh yeah, you added 2, 3, we'll help you out. Don't worry about it, we'll do it for free. Yo, not no more, man, come on. Because you know why? I gotta hear the complaining. And I don't need to hear the complaint when I'm doing something for free for you. I mean, come on. I did my job as far as removing whatever negative is on your credit report. And that's the thing you guys gotta understand. I love you. I love you. But damn. Anyways, my people, GizzyCredit here. See the phone number right there. I still love helping y'all out. Still love making these videos. And listen, I'll see you guys soon. See you later. Peace. And what is going on, my people? Your boy GizzyCredit here again. Listen, I made this video a day or 2 ago. And I got another customer with the same problem. Let's put it together. Anyways, my people, this is the customer. Hi, Gizzy. I have some negative items for a late payment for a car loan. It is for Capital One. I am a co-signer for that vehicle. Is there any way I can remove the entire account, the person, and I no longer communicate, and also there will be a payment, additional payment to remove it? Well, so you guys see that's a big problem when you co-sign for someone. I mean, you place responsibility on yourself when you do that, and it's really up to you if you want to do that. I mean, for a friend, I say don't do it. You'll find yourself in this situation. But anyways, check this out. We can remove that whole entire account. But she will need to pay additional because it's just, I mean, she added a couple of negative items, but then I got another one. I mean, come on, man. On top of that, this person is trying to make moves. So every time she contacts me, she's like, yo, are we done? Are we done? But then she adds other negatives. And then look, you add another negative. I know that you're going to say that it's not your fault, but it is. You got to take responsibility for what's on your credit report. I don't care if they put it there, someone else put it there. If it's an account that just came in, it's your report. Take responsibility for it. I know that. Anyways, I'm going to make this a short video. And I hope that you, my customer out there, understand that this is a process business. This is not something that happens overnight. You know, unfortunately, things like this may happen to a customer, and if you're, if you don't know, if you got a lot of debt, you pay things off, or you haven't paid things off, you'll get a collection or something that comes up, and then we have to do it. We have to do our job for you. But this time, we're definitely going to be charging for now on. GizzyCredit, 973-440-8661. You already know where to contact me. And shout out to you who subscribe to the videos and more credit education, funding education, business credit education, cash advance education, all that stuff. GizzyCredit, signing out. So my people, on top of making those videos, my partner sent me another email yesterday telling me that another customer, a customer that we helped out like 2.5 years ago, contacts me again, starts the credit repair process with us again. And just yesterday, he added another negative account on his credit report. So listen, I'm giving you an example of existing people who started credit repair. I'm giving you an example of people who have been in my program for some time now, and then they come up to me and be like, yo, we're not done, but boom, they add other negatives. I'm giving you an example of previous customers who come back to us and ask for the service, all right? And on top of that, they add other negative items to their credit report. So let's check it out. So this customer actually started back in March with his wife. We are also helping her as well. But we told them, listen, we're going to give you a break because you're a returning customer. But if you keep adding other negative accounts, we're going to have to recharge you because we just can't have this. You adding new negatives at the same time that we're giving you a discount. So my people, as you can see on a day-to-day basis, all these 3 videos that I'm showing you guys, 4 videos, have all been in a span of 30 days in the last month. So we do our job as far as educating you, letting you know what you should be doing in the credit repair process. On top of that, we are your finance experts. So you contact us and we let you know if you could qualify for a home, for a vehicle, for new credit cards. So understand that, but at the same time, we are in charge of removing all of your negative marks on your credit report. So that's a job in itself. On top of that, you are adding other negatives. I'm really taking one step front and then we take another step backwards, and it's not our fault. Okay, we do our job. This is a process business. Okay, we dispute, we get a results, and then we redispute if something is verified. But on top of that, if other negative items are added, it sets us back. You understand? So we are professionals and experts in doing this. The last thing we want is our customer telling us what to do or how to do our job, and we've been doing this close to 10 years right now. All right, so understand that I'm saying this out of love for you guys, because a lot of you don't like when we say on emails, yo, you added this negative. It's not about that you added this negative. It's about an account that got added to your credit report, and we just want to make you responsible for that because it's on your credit report. All right, my people. So again, if you're my customer, please be patient with the process. All right, this is a process. It could take 30 days. I just posted results for people with our $99 system getting results as well. If you want a quote, text me your email address and I'll send you my information, or leave a comment below. On top of that, just be positive. Stay on your hustle. A lot of times I help business owners, and the business owner is actively making money. The last thing they want to do is use their credit, but when they want to use it, they can't. So they stay working, work, while I do my thing. And then once their credit is good, it's a blessing combined that they could go out there and do their thing. So my people, blessings to you. My birthday weekend here working for you. I love it. Wouldn't change it. But anyways, see you guys soon. And if you like these videos and more education on credit, on how it works, debt and all that, subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much. GizzyCredit, on my hustle for you.